Welcome to inside a coconut husk recycling factory, making natural coir carpets manufacturing. Thousands of waste coconut husks arrive here every day. They will soon become strong, natural coir carpets. Each truck unloads several tons of waste coconut husks. The recycling journey begins here. Foreign materials are removed before processing. Only clean coconut husks continue forward. Powerful washing removes dirt and unwanted impurities. Clean husks improve fiber quality. Controlled drying prepares the husks for fiber extraction. Proper moisture prevents fiber damage. Powerful decorticator machines separate the valuable coir fibers. The remaining coconut pith is collected for other recycled products. Cleaning removes dust and unwanted particles. Only strong, high-quality coir fibers continue. The carding machine straightens every coir fiber. Uniform alignment improves carpet strength. The natural fibers are twisted into durable coir yarn. This yarn forms the foundation of every carpet. The weaving process transforms coir yarn into a durable carpet. The first natural coir carpet begins to take shape. The woven carpet is trimmed for precise dimensions. Clean edges prepare it for the finishing process. A natural latex backing strengthens the carpet. It prevents fiber shedding and improves durability. Controlled heat cures the natural latex coating. This creates a strong bond between every fiber. Surface brushing improves appearance and texture. Loose fibers are removed for a cleaner finish. Every carpet is carefully inspected. Only flawless products continue. The continuous carpet is cut into standard sizes. Precision cutting reduces material waste. Strong edge binding improves durability. It gives every carpet a professional finish. Each carpet receives product identification. Batch tracking ensures full quality control. A final air cleaning removes every loose particle. The natural coir texture is now ready for customers. Each carpet is securely packed for safe transport. Natural waste has become a premium coir carpet. Every finished carpet is tracked before shipping. The warehouse prepares orders for worldwide delivery. The finished carpets are safely loaded for transport. Proper securing prevents damage during shipping. Finished coir carpets begin their journey to customers. Every shipment starts from this recycling factory. The recycling cycle never stops. Fresh coconut husks arrive throughout the day. Efficient material handling keeps production continuous. Automation increases both speed and safety. Long natural fibers are carefully extracted. Nothing goes to waste in this recycling process. Coconut pith becomes another valuable recycled product. The factory maximizes every part of the husk. Every carpet must meet strict quality standards. Only approved products leave the factory. Natural coir carpets are durable and eco-friendly. They are suitable for homes, offices, and commercial entrances. Waste coconut husks have been transformed into premium natural coir carpets. This is sustainable recycling in action.
Each carpet is tested for strength and durability. Only products that pass every test are approved.
The carpet is tested against continuous wear. It is designed for long-term, everyday use. The latex backing provides excellent floor grip. Safety testing confirms reliable performance.
Natural coir fibers handle moisture effectively. The carpet maintains its strength after testing.
Every approved carpet receives full quality certification. Complete traceability is maintained for every batch. Protective packaging keeps the carpet clean. It is now ready for safe transportation.
Automation speeds up the packing process. Every pallet is prepared for export.
The warehouse stores finished carpets efficiently. Digital tracking keeps every shipment organized. The finished carpets are carefully loaded. They are protected throughout transportation.
From discarded coconut husks to premium Coir carpets, this factory turns agricultural waste into valuable products. The finished Coir carpets are shipped around the world. Global demand continues to grow for natural fiber products. The cargo ship carries eco-friendly carpets across international markets. Every shipment begins with recycled coconut husks.
Natural Coir carpets travel safely across the sea. They are delivered to homes and businesses worldwide.
The shipment reaches its destination safely. The carpets move into local distribution centers. The finished carpets receive one final inspection. They are now ready for customers.
The recycled Coir carpet reaches its final destination. It is ready for everyday use.
The natural fibers effectively remove dirt from footwear. The anti-slip backing keeps the carpet secure. Coir carpets are simple to maintain. A quick clean restores their natural appearance. Recycling coconut husks reduces agricultural waste. It creates sustainable products from natural resources.
From discarded coconut husks to premium natural Coir carpets, a perfect example of sustainable manufacturing and recycling. Every stage is monitored for consistent quality. Automation keeps production efficient and reliable.
One production line transforms agricultural waste into premium flooring. Every machine plays an important role.
Regular maintenance keeps production running smoothly. Safety and precision are always the top priorities. What was once agricultural waste now has a valuable purpose. Recycling creates useful products while reducing waste. Each carpet combines natural beauty with long-lasting durability. Every piece begins as recycled coconut husks.
Every manufacturing stage adds value. Careful processing ensures premium quality.
The recycling cycle continues every single day. New waste arrives as finished products leave.
This factory operates as one connected recycling system. Every department contributes to the final product. Recycling protects valuable natural resources. It turns waste into sustainable everyday products.
From waste coconut husks to premium natural Coir carpets, every step reflects skilled manufacturing and responsible recycling.